In this video, we'll learn how to use the verb なる, which means to become. Shiro will become cute after putting on some makeup. Let's see how to say to become cute. The word for cute is かわいい, which is an I adjective. To use なる with an I adjective, we replace the final I with く and then add なる. So to become cute is かわいくなる. Shiro will become good at drawing after practicing. Let's see how to say to become good at something. The word for good at is 上手, which is a な adjective. To use なる with a な adjective, we add に and then なる. So to become good at is 上手になる. It looks like Shiro is becoming a teacher. Let's see how to say to become a teacher. Teacher in Japanese is 先生, which is a noun. To use なる with a noun, we follow the same rule as with な adjectives. We add に and then なる. So to become a teacher is 先生になる. Before we look at more examples, let's review the conjugations for なる. Starting with the long form, to become, なります. Do not become, なりません. Became, なりました. Did not become, なりませんでした. In the short form, to become, なる. Do not become, ならない. Became, なった. Did not become, ならなかった. And the て form of なる is なって. Now let's see more examples. It'll get cold starting tomorrow. 明日から寒くなります。明日から寒くなります。Recently, I get sleepy while working. 最近、仕事中に眠くなります。最近、仕事中に眠くなります。I went to a power spot and my luck got better. パワースポットに行って運が良くなりました。パワースポットに行って運が良くなりました。Please note that the I adjective いい good uses its older form 良い when conjugating. So became good is 良くなりました。After resting for a day, I feel better. 一日休んで元気になりました。一日休んで元気になりました。Luffy said that he would become the pirate king. ルフィは海賊王になると言っていました。ルフィは海賊王になると言っていました。Now let's try some quizzes. Can you say, after listening to that song, I became a fan? その歌を聴いてファンになりました。その歌を聴いてファンになりました。Can you say, Goku grew up or became an adult and became cool? 悟空は大人になってかっこよくなりました。悟空は大人になってかっこよくなりました。Can you say, I studied every day and I became good at Japanese? 毎日勉強して日本語が上手になりました。毎日勉強して日本語が上手になりました。 Today we learned how to use the verb なる。Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。